Hey, hey, hey. You want go viral, you want trend. Time go tell, man go learn. Me, I declare my life, I be seeing a Gehgeh. I declare my life, I be seeing a Gehgeh. Bro. You where they smoke, and you know say smoke is not good for your body. And you get brother, we get money, but you know they smoke. If that smoke way you they smoke or give you kidney problem, that your brother will get money or refuse to help you, your brother is not wicked. Because he understand the consequences of smoking and he decide not to smoke. Not because he not sabi you smoke it from big boy, but he decide not to because you know the consequences. And you know the consequences too, but you choose to smoke. If you get that kidney, your brother can refuse to pay for the consequences of your action. Bro, hey, time go tell, man go learn. I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I say you not go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend and me, yeah. There's a reason in every wealthy family, you must see poor people inside. Go check Dangote family, as wealthy as Dangote. Ask questions. People deal with that family way poor. Because you need to understand, in your journey of life, you not feel help everybody. The day you try to carry everybody along in your journey, you go fall down to their level. And when you fall down to their level, they go blame you for being so stupid, for not to put yourself first. You say, now you help us. How come you not feel help yourself? Now the worst question where they go feel ask man be that. Now you ask, see, now you help me. How come you not feel help yourself? Some people, them day, in your days of struggling, they are watching you, they labor. They don't care about your labor. They are not supporting. They are not doing anything. They wait. But the day when they notice say the fruit of the labor don't ripe, they won't be part of that fruit. See, they won't reap for the fruit. If you now don't succeed, now in your days of struggle, you pass through the pain, the struggle. Now the fruit of the struggle don't come now. You can't decide to choose your charity. These same people, based on titles like friend, brother, relative. Now my brother he not gonna help me. And he carry the money go give stranger. Bro, family na by contribution. Not be by blood. Now they contribute be family. More they understand all these things. When I did Ghana, something happened to me. There was a time not a day. We broke finish, nothing to even eat. We call it a market, go beg. Because Nigeria boys always they go the market. So we expect, okay, if we go there, we'll see some Nigeria boys for there. They go pitch or something. See, Nigeria boys pour spit for our face. Come on for here. That's what they do for the country. If Ghana tell you go back to Nigeria, that's what they disgrace us. They follow people they follow the country. Go back to Nigeria if Ghana tell you. We meet to see Nigeria's pour spit for our face. Me and my friend. We can't see one Ghana woman. They come from work. We can't approach the woman. That day, now only 5 CDs we need. Money just like 5 CDs we need. We surprised this woman give us 50 CDs after we explain our condition to this woman. She put her for pocket, for her purse, give us 50 CDs. Now, as I don't make them like this now, if I still remember that woman now, say I still know her before. As God come favor me like this now, God decide to give that woman 5 million naira. Some family members will call, they say, see person wey you not know stranger, you carry 5 million go give stranger, but we will be family. You never feel that kind of thing for us before. I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I say you not go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend and me, yeah. Family is based on contribution, not be blood. Because in your days of struggle, people the way they contribute, where they sacrifice, where reason you, even when every other person neglects you. Then when the fruit of that labor come, you can't decide to mercy. You can't decide to show you can't choose your charity by giving to those people who contribute in your days of struggle. Some people call the verse based on titles. Now my brother, now my friend, you not gonna help me. Why you not make you help them? I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I say you not go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend and me, yeah. Bro. Entitlement mentality equals poverty. Nobody owe you anything. Your papa not owe you anything. Your mama not owe you anything. Your family members, your friends not owe you anything. Life is 100% your responsibility as an adult. If it easy, you do for make them understand all these things. It's not easy for anybody. Now why you never make them? Nobody owe me anything. It's zero expectation. Tough mentality. Now this mentality I create to escape poverty, bro. I grew up for family where we say, mama not get, papa not get. Neighborhood, nobody gets. Everybody talk now, complain. Poverty talk. Now everybody they talk. So when you grow up in such environment, you need to create a tough mentality where we say, even as you did there physically, but mentally you not deal with them, you deal another place. Nobody owe me anything. I'm responsible for my future. Let me go create the life when I want for myself. Why you they plan, they draft? Nobody did door. You not did door. You not did door. Now my brother, oh. Now my brother, oh. Help me, maybe you help your brother. I should not help you. Now my friend, though, make I help you, so I go fall. When I fall finish, the same way when I help, because of say I not lift you from dependency, I can't come to you again now. You might even have the mind to help me, but you not really there, which means instead of one poor person in a family, we don't become two. Instead of one poor friend, we don't become two poor friends. The day you help somebody, and that help not lift them from dependency, that same person will still come back to you for the same help. And when you continue to give, they give, you call for. That same person might not be able to help you because they see they depend, they see in dependency. They see they depend on you. So now, instead of one poor person in a family or one poor friend, will not become two. Mona allow wealthy people breathe. Because if they two give, they go fall. Instead of make you be only one poor person, poor people come many. I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I say you don't go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend and me. Yeah. Tough mentality, zero expectation. Nobody owe me anything. If you see the life I live today, I not feel blame my father or my mother. Say my mom poor, my father poor, and the reason why I they suffer, my brothers not help me, and the reason why they suffer, my friends not help me, and the reason why they suffer, because those they have their own challenges. My papa too, if he still tell you maybe your father say not still get, that one father too not still get. Now so it be. You feel say life easy for your father, if you too not still get. Your father too, your father not get too. They not get help. See, the help not really took on that time too. It got struggle before it got born on. I can see contribute a little give you. You now you can see pick the race from there. But it is written, bro. If you break water, they not they fight water. Oh. Now water I build. It is written. Now destiny at the level. It is written. The writer for the documenter was say in this generation, we must see this family must produce a wealthy man. History don't talk about let poor people they come out from this place, but in this generation there will be a change, and maybe that change, oh. It is written, a wealthy man is coming out from this family. Now maybe that person, oh. If I they give everything, I go reach this level. If I you ask, boy, I go to this level. My brother, oh, my friend, oh, you know what help me? Make you help your friend. Now your friend they make I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I said not go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend and me, yeah. Your current life now, the life you are living now, is a reflection of your actions, your decision, and your choices. The truth is that many people, they come from the same place like you, same family background, same environment, same opportunities, same disadvantages and everything. But you understand where you come from and where they go. You can't decide not to do some certain things. That's why they call they look at saying, you not get level, you not open eye, you don't want to do the things what they do. Then when you go carefully choose your path, take some kind of decision when you know, so okay, this one I go favor me. God can really do one for you. That part can favor you. And nobody really say, because that time they not even believe say you go still make am too. Because they look and say, it they waste the time. At the end of the day, the family nobody don't make am before. You got to grind that part they go. The way can open for you. Then when she take their own choice wey affect them. They can't expect you wey don make her to pay for the consequences of their actions, decisions and choices. I am ready now. What you want say, come tell me now. I say they no go reach 30. Fuck militant, fuck every friend of me. Yeah. It is written, the right aware. Jesus, they are aware. Ancestors, they are aware. God, they are aware. They document aware. Say in this generation, a wealthy man must come out from this family, and I'm me. Destiny now with the live, oh. Not be carry talk, oh. They right away. They document them. God, they are aware. They know. Everybody know. See, ask questions. Now destiny with the live, oh. Now destiny with the see. They document aware. They right and where. Say in this generation, see. The story must change you. See. I don't really know. Bro, if you want to use this to this level, write my name in capital letter. I want one sign say a major breakthrough is coming. Now when family and friends begin to fight you. And the reason why family and friends they fight you, now because of say they see limitations. They not believe before. They saw limitations. But you can't break the limitation. It shock them. Now you can't be like, sir, this guy would be go struggle this thing together. Don't pass also. What you want to do now? Let's bring him down. They create a narrative. Understand all these things. Nobody way they do where. Where really they do where they do where. We be saying no, cause they consider family, more consider family. But sometimes you don't see consider the family, you consider the friends. But you see them no one really lives in their own self. One of the wise though. They don't want to lift their own self. You can't beware before they can't go for you to their level. Life now planning, you know. It is very, very okay for you to avoid your friends when no one move forward. Avoid them. It's normal. May not go for you. They go for you to their level. They can still blame you. Say that time when you blow for social media, you don't use your opportunity when now you don't fall. You can't come here. They got the followers. They drag cigar. You go cry. You go cry. And I know the last comment of a fool to say I know before I've listened to Gehgeh advice. Wisdom man. All this is not gift. I don't they think them. I don't think before I talk. I they think before I talk. They come naturally. I don't they think. See, you see it. How many people you they see when they feel waka like this? Because my frequency, now different frequency after they operate. I don't be normal human being. All these things now see the ghosts, spirits that possess me. These things they come naturally. They enter the head. The wisdom, not me they talk all these things. Now spirit they talk the through me. Ah, sure. I don't grow beyond the expectation. I don't live according to expectation of people again. Now what enter my head now they do. You feel they think A, they think one. Alphabet, they talk numbers. You talk alphabet, they talk numbers. Now numbers, I focus on numbers. You do alphabet, English. You they do English and they do accounting. One understand all these things. So they can't feel okay. And they speak English, so they fluent too. Now this one's the guy future. This one, they do anything. No? They don't listen to numbers and they write numbers. And they deceive me with English and they deceive them with numbers. And they speak English and they deceive them with numbers, bro. They write A to Z and they write 1 to zillion. Ah! They write ABC to Z. And they write 1 to zillion numbers. I just want master numbers. I just want cat numbers. English numbers. You feel work out with this hair. You feel work out with this hair. Look and where. You feel work out with this hair. Eh? You feel work out with this kind of hair. Look and where. Look and where. And they work out everywhere. See, they look people. They look me. And they work out. Now frequency, oh. Because see, I don't live beyond people's expectation of me. Your opinion, I know they see them again. Na frequency, oh, na vibration, oh.